During this period, the customer came to the factory for a field visit and conducted on-site tests on the load banks in production to test the long-term loading operation and various performance of the load banks. The 1,000 kilowatts diesel generator continuously generated electricity to provide sufficient power for the load banks to verify the 8-hour uninterrupted operation of the load banks. The test went well and perfectly met the customer's expectations. Under the intensive production of the production department, all the products required by the customer were completed within the delivery period. After the technical department tested all the products, the workers packaged them and transported them safely to the customers. Rada Technology has always adhered to the customer-centric business philosophy, committed to becoming a global leading provider of power supply testing equipment, continuous innovation, and leading the development of the industry.